G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 23, 2023. It's hard to say that. This is a spot gold price update. We've got the, we drew a support area here on the daily chart and the price has broken through that. Now we noticed also on the CCI 1500, the CCI itself is approaching the moving average, and that moving average is also starting to turn down after going flat for some time. So that was our key support area that we were hoping a bounce from, but we don't see that happening anytime soon. It's broken through that, and you'll notice also on the 4-hour and the hourly chart, the CCI has broken and still retracing to the downside. There is a slight bounce up from the oversold on the daily, on the hourly, on the stochastic, but notice the 4-hourly is still in decline on a stochastic, but also the daily is ever so slowly increasing. So we're most likely going to see a retrace to the downside continuing down through this support area. And again, there's no key area of support moving forward in the coming days at least. So we may see it come down and retrace further to the downside. So let's see where it goes from here in terms of retracing. So if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from that low there to the high during that period, you'll notice here the price has broken through the 50% level, or it actually was consolidating there for some time, but it's now broken through that level and it's coming down towards the 61% level. So that's our next level of potential support, and if it breaks through that, we're looking at a 78% retracement to about the 1775 level. So currently it's sitting at 1825, and our next level of support will be about 1815, 1816. So that's where we are at the moment. And to understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video, or some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history. You want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.